Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to talk about a very interesting phenomenon that has been going viral in Japan. It's called the Matcha-Covered Ice Cream Challenge, and it involves eating a soft-serve ice cream that is coated with a thick layer of matcha powder. Matcha is a type of green tea that is finely ground and has a strong and bitter flavor. It's usually used to make tea or desserts, but in this case, it's used to make ice cream more difficult to eat. The challenge is to take a big bite of the ice cream and try not to cough, sneeze, or spit out the powder. It sounds easy, but it's actually very hard, as many people have found out. Some people have compared it to the cinnamon challenge, which is another popular internet trend where people try to swallow a spoonful of cinnamon without any water. Both challenges can cause irritation and discomfort in the mouth and throat, and are not recommended for health reasons. But why do people do it? What's the appeal of this challenge? And where did it come from? In this video, I'm going to answer these questions and more, using information from various sources. Let's get started. The Matcha-Covered Ice Cream Challenge originated from a shop called Nagamine Saika in Tokyo, which is known for its high-quality green tea products. The shop started selling matcha-covered ice cream in 2018 as a way to promote its matcha powder. The owner, Nagamine Masahiro, said that he wanted to create something that would make people enjoy the rich flavor and aroma of matcha. He also said that he was inspired by the cinnamon challenge, which he saw on YouTube. The Matcha-Covered Ice Cream Challenge became popular after a Japanese YouTuber named Hikakin uploaded a video of him trying it in 2019. The video has over 10 million views as of now, and many other YouTubers and celebrities followed suit. The challenge also spread to other countries, such as Taiwan, Korea, and China. Some people even created their own versions of the challenge, using different flavors or toppings. The matcha-covered ice cream challenge can be harmful if done excessively or incorrectly. According to experts, inhaling matcha powder can cause choking, coughing, or asthma attacks. It can also irritate the eyes, nose, and throat. Moreover, consuming too much matcha can lead to caffeine overdose, which can cause insomnia, anxiety, or heart palpitations. On the other hand, matcha also has some health benefits, such as antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It can also boost metabolism, lower blood pressure, and improve mood. However, these benefits are only achieved when matcha is consumed moderately and properly. The matcha-covered ice cream challenge may not last long, as people may lose interest or find it too hard. Some shops have already stopped selling it due to low demand or complaints. However, there may be other ways to enjoy matcha-covered ice cream without risking your health. For example, you can use less matcha powder or mix it with sugar or milk. You can also try other flavors of ice cream or toppings that are compatible with matcha. Or you can simply enjoy matcha as a tea or a dessert without covering it on ice cream. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. And if you have tried the Matcha-Covered Ice Cream Challenge or want to try it, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.